Hello, guys. Welcome to our weekly live AMA. Uh, we are Guru Network. We are waiting for our CEO, Evgeny, to join us. And today, Evgeny will talk about Guru Framework. What is it? Why? How? And what you can do with it. While we are at it, let me show some products. Oh, Evgeny just joined us. Welcome, Evgeny.
Yeah. That's because actually we have some news about the format of our channel and of everything we do in media and there. That's why I was late actually, because now we have multiple live scheduled in StreamYard, which we're using for broadcasting those things on the multiple platforms. And because we scheduled like multiple in the same time and we never did it before, I was just joined and then sitting in other one, waiting for everything to start. So anyway, I was sitting in one which actually happening tomorrow, and I actually wanted to talk about it a little bit. So tomorrow we have. Where it is. Yeah, we have this one. It's in regards of our partnership with Squid, and you guys probably seen it last week when we invited Barry from Squid and did completely crazy like tech in there. I don't know, maybe it was boring, maybe not, but we were open sourcing our Block Explorer, which is under DexGuru, and in the same time starting this partnership with Squid. So we have here Block Explorer, right? Yeah. So now it's public, and it's exactly Block Explorer you see, for example, in the Guru network. And we open sourced this Block Explorer, and we were in live, and basically that's a continuation of it, because Barry tomorrow he's going to create a couple of adapters, and in the same time wrapped up in GraphQL API, which our Block Explorer is using from Squid, and then we would put the data in here from Squid Cloud, from their indexer, which would allow our Block Explorer to be run like on 200 something networks, and it's like fully functional as a scan type of Block Explorer. And we open sourced it. At the same time, we are starting this partnership thing with Squid, where our data pipelines, which we have right now, we could be swapped with some partners. And that's quite interesting as well, because that would allow us to support more and more chains in our other products like DexGuru, and in there, where we have tokens. Yeah, to support all those cool things we traditionally support across more chains and everything. So that's pretty cool. Anyway, so what's on the front? In here, we've put together those buttons, so now everyone can just jump in, figure out what they want to do with Guru. Oh, interesting. Why we getting into Dibridge right now? Go to DexGuru Legacy if you want to. And of course, stake is the main thing right now for the Guru ecosystem. Why? Because we are starting issuing AI Guru, and AI Guru is a governance token for all the applications within Guru network ecosystems, applications which you can launch. That's that. Probably I had a cookie from previous login, and we actually did updates on this front as well. So in here, now you can log in not only with Telegram, but with Google and X. That's why basically when you log in, if you hadn't logged out yet, starting from today, because that's what updated as well, you can have the same issues you see with me, and I had to clear cookies. Actually, good thing for the devs. Snark, what do you think? We are talking about video today, and this is the video. we need to show it.
Kind of it is.
Yeah, and here, for example, we have application launcher, and yesterday I launched Burning CTO app. So it's like a clone of Guru app, but focused on leaderboard, and basically it's like a community app. You can drop the bot into any community, and it would start calculating the rewards and everything. And I dropped into testing group yesterday, like a Burning CTO testing group. So we testing this thing, and in the same time, when you are in the community to get those actions points, you for distribution, you're going to need to stake Guru, which is in here. And 2 million Guru already staked. We have AI Guru earned, and those AI Guru could be utilized into voting starting next week. And by voting for particular project or particular feature of our AI agents in here, so don't forget we have AI agents, you basically getting your early adopter reward in this particular thing. And we already experimented with it. That's why in staking here you have all those chests for early adopters. And for early adopters, we had a conversation yesterday in our community on Telegram with Oleg. Probably everyone knows Oleg in our community, about that we need to have different kind of incentives for different kind of NFTs which represent in our community, and that's got to the place that we need to implement different boosters for staking of different NFTs. So if you are like season 1 holder and you with us from I don't know, from 2022, I believe, right? So this is season 2. And for season 2, we have different one, and yeah, and if you were following all of them, those should be compounding. But we are thinking right now what else we can do in there, because there are, if we are looking for Guru NFTs, this one, it's like 12,000 NFTs, right? And if we compound in them, there would be people who hadn't followed us throughout those all those all those steps we've passed, like with LBP, with so season 2 collection was related to LBP, and that's bad. I'm blocked. I'm in the US. But anyway, we would have compounding things for the different kind of early adopters, and that's coming. And as we discussed with Oleg, I thanks for feedback, by the way. If you guys giving us feedback, we can act on it. Based on this, I already discussed it with our marketing strategy guy, and then with Max, who's doing all the governance. And they are figuring out the boosts and like the path for everyone to get those particular rewards. In regards to this page, like staking, now it's got OGP. So when you're sharing, you are getting all the main things shared, as well as you have deltas and stuff. More common in here, again, voting with the AI Guru, which was initially proposed in there. We are kind of overestimated ourselves that we would be able to do it this week, and that's coming next week. But this voting would be for communities and applications which is spinning up from the launcher. Oh, and that was actually application from the launcher. Something with chatbot, and within DEX Guru, it's in here in application launcher. Updates coming in there as well, because we have B2B clients who would like to have this kind of launcher on for their ecosystem, or like even we had a crazy announcement to make, like probably next month on B2B sites, but it's very interesting how that application or application like we have on Burning Meme, like or other application could be spinned up from the wizard because we're using this framework, and it's actually interesting B2B feature for many organizations. And in regards of organizations, tomorrow we're going to have Utopia CEO. No, it was last week. Sorry. Tomorrow it's going to be Tyler, and Tyler. Where do we have a tweet with Tyler? And this is OGP basically. Interesting.
Yeah, that's how OGP, looking for those who don't know what OGP is. And information here is refreshed every time the number goes up.
Yeah, and yeah, it's like for sharing and stuff. Anyway, where do we have a tweet from with Tyler CMA for tomorrow from Utopia?
Seems like it's missing somehow.
Oh, okay, got it. But tomorrow, we have another one. We have it scheduled on YouTube, right? It's live. Yeah, this one. Tyler Leonard from Utopia. We're going to share the tweet soon, and guys, don't hesitate to share and post, and we would share it in the Utopia community. Same thing we've done with Squid community for this one, right? Tomorrow, Tyler would come and he would talk about Top AI and then their launch and what they planning there, and basically it's like staking. It's what it is. It's AI. It's staking. It's rewarding for their community, and we have a special guru section in there. And in that guru section, we also have a section for our ecosystem launches. So here, for example, you are in Utopia community, you come in here and you have special treat from Burning Meme, and you can start this quest from Burning Meme, and you earn like points, which is basically airdrop, and you have this crazy onboarding into Burning Meme. You see, ready for thousands of people to come over and get on a free NFT, which allows you to launch the meme coins in Burning Meme. Nice. Follow link.
Well, that specimen looks good.
Yeah, that's what we're talking about when we're talking about like compounding of different achievements in between the apps, right? And again, we updated our authorization. You see what's happening. If you guys see the stuff and you already have been logged into Burning Meme or Dex Guru or something, I don't know. I need to talk to devs how we're clearing those cookies when we're updating that thing, because we added more here now with Google and X available, and that's why it's like refreshing the cookie and it's not in size anymore. But anyway, if you're facing the same, you've seen how I deal with this. Sorry for this, and probably Snark as a community manager, you are basically seeing stuff like that. People coming with get pre-launch pass and 1,500 burns. That's crazy. Artem doing a very good job here. I agree, right? Get the burns and continue. And we are creating a new meme, you see. Oh, I would like a random prompt.
Fearless through the fire.
Yeah, burn to earn.
It knows something.
Yeah, why not? Should I put it in there or? Oh, yeah, okay. And even the progress bar. And I already have 200 burns, which I'm ready to spend in my task list, which is in here, and start earning different things. And there is a referral here. There is social posting AI agent. And that's a burning meme, which is actually referenced in Utopia. And you see how we incorporated onboarding of burning meme into Utopia. Yeah, the same could happen with every application of ours, and that's how they hydrate in each other and so on. And it's like nodes with a network which is built on top of our open source stack. And I'm talking about Guru framework. And in Guru framework, we I kind of relaunched it several commits ago, probably months ago, and started adding the stuff one by one. So, for example, now we have engine in there. And when I was flying back from Belgrade to here to LA, I added like crucial pieces to it. And next step, adding external workers. And then I'm preparing with the team the open sourcing of our like API, which on top of it, and on top of the engine flow, where you controlling the content, right? Flow, like in here, you controlling the content, you controlling the queries, you controlling what's been indexed on chain and how it's presented, right? And you also controlling the flows for the users themselves. So this thing, it's coming in here next. So in Guru framework, we would open source our backstage panel, basically, because that's what needed. And then we have like front ends, which you now can spin up for your community via application launcher, and more updates coming in here. So we starting to support those Camunda forms, which is basically you can draw your new form for any kind of interaction with users. So, for example, in our launcher, we need to have picker for colors, availability to upload different logos to get the app which you want. And that started being supported, and we would have it in this wizard first. So you would be able to pick those colors, spin up the app, and this app already comes with, where we have example. It already comes with a basic task list with your socials, with your AI agent, with the token explorer and swapping, with leaderboard for your community. So you drop in the bot into your community, and then there is a calculation between members. Yeah, and stuff you can change. So this about you can change. You can also go into your admin panel, and there are some activities in there. You can send message to all the users, which is great. Like everyone who's connected through your bot would receive a message from you, and you're running it for your community. And again, colors could be different, logos could be different. We add in it right now with this new form, which we put into Wizard. So yeah, stuff like this. And meme is generated. Cool. Can I launch it? Launch meme coin. Get burns. Insufficient balance. Oh, interesting. I have to hit 200. I have to have 250. And I can get burns. Mint season 1 NFT. Okay. Create art. But I already generated some art. It's supposed to be in my memes and drafts, right? Okay. Oh yeah, now I come back. I come back and get burns. How do I get burns? So this kind of content where we are going through particular products in our ecosystem or in other one's ecosystem would be the source of our new like technical shows which we starting. And I'm basically stepping down from the role of like the guy who's presenting the business here. Yaro would step up in this role. And by the way, we have this coming again. with Tyler Earnhardt. It would be first like only Yara show with like business to business in crypto. And we will be talking about Top AI launch, what they propose in their staking, and how it's all hooked up to the services, which Guru framework allows them to serve from there. And this would be the talk. So come over there. That's where business is discussed. Here we all in tech, and you see we are going through the burning meme. But we've got already meme, and we've got through this redirect from Utopia. And you see this leaderboard is exactly what you're getting from our launcher. So it's like leaderboard of burning. Oh, by the way, good idea is to have here link to the community from which this leaderboard is. Links to the community. Yeah, cool. That's how we usually do it, you know. Adding stuff, sending to each other, and so on. Yes, Snark? So in every app of ours, we have leaderboard, and then where the leaderboard is calculated, where you guys can earn those points and claim them.
I think since we have a bit more of the people joined our stream after the start of it, we can get a little dive into staking.
How it goes,
staking and what it is. So basically, to stake Guru, let me show the screen. Share screen, stake and earn. Come on, and it is on. Can you see it? Yeah, you can. Okay, basically to stake Guru, you go to DEX Guru staking page. Let me show it on your screen. And first and foremost, you have to be Third Web Wallet owner. To get Third Web Wallet, you don't need to go through, you know, some tedious procedures. With our solution, all you need to do is just click this sign in button in upper right corner, and you will see 3 different sign in ways. I already signed in with Telegram, so basically I click this button. After you click this, you will see a window to authorize your Telegram, and the next window will be this: log in as your Telegram handle.
You got the numbers there now. You got the numbers, like overall numbers. 2 million.
Yeah. After you have a Third Web Wallet, you can top it up with any wallet.
Actually, I just passed through this quest myself through updated quest this morning, and if you just not even signing in, if you just drop it into staking, it's actually forcing you to sign in, and then you're signing in, and then it's like, oh, you don't have a balance. Go do it. And in there, I was able to even connect my wallet. Even that's such interesting things to say there. I was able to connect my wallet and get the transaction through from external wallet where I already had some Guru on base, and that's basically solved everything for me pretty smoothly. I was like next, and then I staked. But yeah, in here,
but you are a seasoned Web3 user, and I'm kind of making this presentation for the guys who are less in the know. So if you already have any wallet like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Rabbi, whatever, you can use either this QR code or this copy this address directly and top up your wallet with 10,000 euro, which are needed for staking process. After that, let me
but you guys can.
Yeah, but you guys can just click the stake button and go through the process without this. Okay, basically, we are looking at our balance because we had third wave wallet. We topped up the minimum balance, and now we can see that it's 10,100 something euros on it. After checking that we have sufficient balance, we go to stake process, choosing load chest. After that, we reviewing staking terms, what we get and how it all goes, and continue to staking. After that, interface shows us all this the Guru balance we have, but minimum amount is 10,000, and for testing purposes, we are making it 10,000 square, and push the button stake to earn AI Guru. What happens after that? We wait a little bit and wait a little bit more because everything happens on chain. After that, we have shown a transaction which happened after staking is successful. We can see this transaction on Basecamp. And after that, clicking OK button just to see, to review our stake that happened. So it's 10,000 Guru for 30 days, and we can stake more or claim our reward. We will not claim our reward. We will take more to show you how this process goes. So let's take more, 100, because when you staked minimum amount of 10,000, you can stake any amount of Guru you want additionally.
And the same works for early adopters. So basically, early adopters, when they put their slot for staking in there and confirmed it with their NFTs, they will have the slot topped up constantly based on their actions, of course, boosts and whatever NFTs they compound in, and we're preparing this right now as we discussed. Yeah, cool.
Yeah, so now we see that our stake reviewed is not 10,000 but 10,100, and we can go on with that. How to check your staking balance? There is two ways. After you staked, you can go back to the interface, clicking Earn AI Guru button, and here you see these numbers are 0. It's because to refresh these numbers in interface, it's about 5-10 minutes. Now we have
no, hold on. It's actually just a bug and nothing else. I already reported it to developers. And like it's not supposed to be zeros in there, but if you see zeros, just refresh the page. We're working on it basically.
And here we see different numbers because it's from my previous stake in another chest. In several minutes, these numbers will go up and show the actual stake amount. But every time you want to review your stake, just go to chest, clicking this stake button, and you will see your stake amount first in this case.
you know, when you presented it, I actually got an idea that we need to have a stakes tab in the wallet, and that wallet we have all the way to the right top, you know, where you have like transactions, where you have your balances, then you have stakes tab, and that would do it. That's where we can actually show this dashboard for your stakes, and that would be very useful in there. Oh, by the way, this thing,
Yeah,
if you guys hadn't noticed, it's like a login with your socials, and then you have like fully functional wallet abstraction in here, available for you, available for your agent, available for staking, available for everything. And yeah, it's like quite a functionality by itself we've done with ThirdWeb, you know, at core. For example, my wife recently had asked me like, "Oh, I need a crypto wallet to get something for whatever fashion or whatever she's doing," and yeah, and it was like, "Oh, go to the Xguru." She's like, "Oh, it's too complicated, probably with you guys." I'm like, "No, it's like just go and register with your Telegram, and you have a crypto wallet. That's it. You can receive stuff for your swimsuits, which you selling in there. It's like Web3, right? So yeah, having those things in our wallet kind of makes sense. We need to put it down. I will put it down into our.
let me also
Needs.
share how our multi-login works at the moment, because we had a question from community, how the person who already logged in with, for example, Telegram, could add their account. It's very easy and straightforward. So you just go to your profile, choose this address here, and go to manage your wallet. After that, you go to link profiles, and here you can link additional profiles like Google or X account. And when you do it, you can, since that moment, log in not only with your first login option, but with all three of them. But please be sure that you link your Gmail or X account, because if you're doing login with your account from the get-go, it will be totally fresh account with totally fresh wallet. So as I see, we have some questions here.
Yeah. Yeah, I can answer this one. By staking 10K Guru, non-early adopters only get AI Guru. Thanks for asking. Runa asks. Yeah, you are getting AI Guru, which you then would be able to use as a voting power in our governance for different communities, features, and applications, which is pinned up from Guru framework and Guru ecosystem. And by doing so, you starting getting rewards from those particular features, communities, apps, and so on and so forth. So AI Guru, it's like a ticket into the new world of ecosystem apps on top of Guru network, where you first confirming your interest in it and participation, then voting in the process, and getting rewarded by those projects which are spinned up on top of Guru framework. That's the whole idea of it. And we already have a couple of things we wanted to put into this voting this week, like yeah, from the application of the ecosystem. But the process, you know, you see, we still polish and staking. We want to polish the staking, and then we starting polishing the voting. Next week, we hope you will be able to do something with your AI gurus, as well as we adding more quests related to them into our, you know, task list, which you all guys used already for quite a while.
In some sense, this AI guru will represent, you know, Adam Smith's invisible hand of the market, but it will not be so invisible. If you will have the stake, it will be pretty visible for you and for other participants.
Yeah, and at the same time, I want to talk about like roadmap a little bit because we and decisions we made based of it. Some decisions I already talked about, that we are reshaping the format of like media format we do. So we would do more. I would do more technical things, and would do something like the Guru framework, educational, and kind of how to use it course, as well as we would have partners coming, like technical partners like we have with Squid tomorrow, and we doing something together, like integrating their stuff into our framework or in our ecosystem apps, integrating other things, reviewing other projects. So this kind of QL, like technical QL stuff, technical media stuff, is, I believe, still lacking in crypto like field. And we would start making this content, and we tried it with Barry last week, and we liked it. So tomorrow we will have two AMAs, one about business with Tyler and Utopia, and we would be talking about like everything what's going on in there. And another one would be like for crazy tech people who like to hear podcasts where people develop and stuff. So yeah, and today we have this tech kind of thing as well, but we merge in everything. Yeah, and in regards of the roadmap, we declared that roadmap in the beginning of April, I believe, and we said we've done those things, and we said we need to do multi social source of oaths, so it's not in works anymore. We check marking it. Feels nice, right? Snark.
Sorry, my mic is off. Yeah, it feels incredibly nice to check some check marks off. Dopamine is going up.
Yeah, and then we also have done staking, which is like not in there, but we open source and educational course. It was April 2025, so open source. I would say with release of API tomorrow in here, it would be around 80%. And educational course, we start in those things with those tech talks. And it's in regards of all Guru ecosystem and everything. What we've been doing in MCP server. MCP server would became available with the release of our API in here. Like I'm preparing this warehouse API release as we speak. Really, like our guys are working around the clock to put those features in there. But I'm right now working as some kind of it's like exit engineer. So this is like exit engineer for the warehouse API, which is coming in our open source framework, and it would be much more tech in this show. We would be talking about the real code, which like what's going on in there, and yeah, we'll start today a little bit later. I would like to go through what we've pushed. It's like me pushed, but it's like the whole team pushed those workers, for example, which allowing us to orchestrate all actions on chain. But yeah, do we have any questions or anything before we dive in deeper into crazy tech?
Well, we have a question regarding Burning Meme, but probably it's up to Burning Meme team to answer it.
We need
we can pass it on to them.
Yeah, we can pass it on to Artyom, and actually, it's a good idea to have Artyom in here probably next week, because you've seen like Burning Meme is like working product. We and onboarding there is enormous, and with launch of Utopia, there is this channel of users which is planned in there, which is quite crazy and interesting. So yeah. It's we need Burning team presenting their saying again and with all this onboarding, and that's crazy. So cool.
Yeah, it's a good example of what the Guru framework
could do.
can.
Could do.
What Guru framework can, because our topic today is why, how, and what you can do with Guru framework. So
yeah, and that's why I'm showing everyone like this is a roadmap we have for Guru framework, and we already done low code AI and user flows orchestration system. Basically, what you have in here, it's like user flow, and we are using those user and appearance flow modifiers to design everything in our apps. Like, and that's basically what it is, right? Then we have internal wallet for AI agent. That's crazy what we've done with this thing, which like account abstraction hooked up to your socials. Then you have control of it, as well as AI agent and different Web3 automation process have access to it as well, and you are allowing them to. You're allowing the application to do it. It's not like application controls your wallet. You're allowing you can remove this allowance if you want to. Dynamic front end. We are designing everything in low code, and then it's creating dynamic front ends. And you've seen Burning Meme, you've seen Utopia, you've seen like it's all CMS and data analytics platform. That's our like backstage thing, and here we are grabbing the data, we figuring out like so for example, this is like staking. So it's all the way from our indexer comes to here to become those requests, and then on top of it we add in visualizations, and that's how we add in more content to Dex Guru in here. That's what you see, literally you see in there. So you can do stuff like this. Then next thing is smart account, subsystem, and ecosystem wallet. We already talked about it. Multi-social source of hosts, yes. And then what educational course, that's where we are. And in those educational courses, what we've discussed, we would start from doing some examples. For example, we were talking within the team about the Telegram bot, like trading bot, like Banana Gun, for example, or you know all of them. With our abstraction layer and with whatever we have in web app and with AI ability to swap, when you're talking to our agent, you can say, okay, I want to swap USDC to Guru, and it would go do that, right? So this ability, choose an agent engagement, is basically select the, and then he would say, I don't have USDC. But anyway, this thing could be part of the Telegram bot, which you're using to control your portfolio on your wallet, and basically you drop into this bot, like we all in the groups, we all in X, we all in the groups. You drop into this bot like just forwarding messages from different groups. So user flow to replicate in example app, because we are talking about it as an example app. User passes to bot message from within the alpha group, and bot doing its own research and launching the position entrance or reshuffling portfolio. Yeah, pretty simple action that you have a bot, like let's say it's not the Guru bot, it's like we launching alpha bot, whatever, and you can transfer, you can forward any messages there from X, from Telegram, And then it's based on this information, it's giving you best results it can with our data set, on-chain data set, with social data set, with everything. And based on this, it's suggesting you either to get in or get out, or you saying to him, okay, get in, and it's done, it's doing that thing. We would build that stuff during our educational course, and that would be the technical content for our show. I believe it's very interesting, and it's kind of understandable for crypto community, and we would have people joining us who would do different parts of it. And in the course of I don't know, several lives, we will be able to have the first MVP. And it's AI, it's crypto, it's based off our Dex Guru, which is like you all guys know Dex Guru Legacy, right? As a great product for DeFi exploring. So yeah, that's basically what it is. And top holders, token profile, all in here, and this bot have access to all this data. So crazy idea, we can do it in live, and that's technical thing starts from our open source repo. We are launching new app, for example, AlphaBot. Then it's fork of this open source repo. Then we starting changing the workers in there, which are in the PR, which I submitted yesterday. And those workers are like asynchronous workers to execute transactions. That's what it is about. And yeah, we will go through all the stuff, and everyone would know how to use those workers even without getting into the code, how to execute transactions, and how to make it work using low code diagrams and everything. So this is educational course which we're talking about, and that's what we will be launching. So yeah, and don't forget business stuff tomorrow with Tyler in Utopia, and also we have a partnership stream with Squid in regards of Block Explorer and all our data, like ecosystem powered up by Squid adapters. How we doing it? Like crazy DevRel. Yep. Who wanna see business? Check out Yara with Tyler. Who wanna see more tech? It's what I'm starting from tomorrow. The joke I heard in Belgrade from one of our colleagues. Snark.
What is this joke?
What is this joke? That I was watching Silicon Valley at some point. Never imagined myself being in one.
Well, you are on camera now. We probably may have this guy, this crazy billionaire with the Lamborghini and all that stuff, who told about, how doors in the car should open up, not to the sides.
Yeah.
This is the person we missing in our circles. But other than that, it's pretty much pretty similar.
Yeah. But we have our VCs, right?
But by the way, guys, if you watched Silicon Valley, this guy builds.
Yeah, and this is our show, and we're expanding it. We would have more video content. We would have more like text content, and it's a whole educational course around our framework. And with Wizard and with everything that's going on with staking, you would be able to participate in every application which is launched from it. So that's basically the ideas here. And we will talk more about business tomorrow. Come over, and it will be Utopia and what you can basically get from this app and how it's all built on top of Guru framework and from business point of view. And on our side, we will do some tech. And yeah, come over there. We would like to kick it off. Cool.
Thank you, Evgeny. Thank you, everyone, for watching our streams, participates in our activities. By the way, you saw probably our Riddle Hunt clue, and you know how to participate in it. Just go to our app after watching the video, put the clue in the app, and get Guru rewards. This is the easiest way. If you are interested in more rewards, we presented staking for you, how it goes, how to use it, and more updates soon.
Cool. Even tomorrow. So come over tomorrow.
Even tomorrow.
We started doing it more regularly, and it's like a podcast kind of format, as you see already. Anyway, see you tomorrow.
Thank you, guys. We'll see you.